Okay, so you already know the basics of Marketing Cloud growth. You understand that it's built on the Salesforce platform, leveraging Data Cloud, and how it streamlines your marketing effort. But are you still spending too much time on repetitive tasks? And are you struggling to keep up the pace with the demands of modern marketing? And then do you feel like you could do more to better leverage your data? You've probably seen other AI marketing solutions. Maybe you've even tried some of them. But here's the thing, many of them lack the trust and the integration that you need. You need your AI to work seamlessly with your CRM, to be built on top of a platform you trust, and to leverage existing data without a huge lift. So that's where the Salesforce approach is different and why you should be using Agentforce, which is the leading way with AI-powered agents. So by using Salesforce, you aren't locked into a single LLM. You're working with your core customer data, and you need to be focusing on the fastest time to value and not get bogged down with managing hundreds of different platforms that don't connect or work together. So Marketing Cloud Growth, since it's built with Einstein AI, that is going to be your answer. It's not just about automating tasks. It's about amplifying your impact using a platform that is rapidly improving with a far faster release schedule than previous Salesforce product releases. So here's how you can really level up your marketing with AI in Marketing Cloud Growth. So the first is you have the supercharge campaign creation. So you can go beyond basic templates and use Einstein to generate full campaign briefs, complete with KPIs, suggested content, and recommended audience segments based off your goals in just a couple of minutes. Co-create campaigns with Einstein to quickly create emails, forms, and more. And then it uses natural language to generate campaigns, briefs, and segments, so any of your marketing users can use it. We also have smarter content creation. Einstein AI can assist in generating content by adjusting the tone and the length of your emails or content. You can also use AI-assisted content generation to create subject lines, pre-headers, and body text. And then you can use consistent drag and drop editing experience for all content types. The next reason that AI is going to help you level up your marketing is it uses intelligent audience segmentation. So it moves beyond the basic segmentation and uses AI to build very highly targeted audiences using natural language. It lets Einstein suggest segments based off of available attributes, the things that you've described in your briefs, your focus, and your goals. And then you can also leverage Data Cloud to use the unified customer profiles from multiple sources for your segmentation. So you're not just getting customer segments from one source, you're using data from all over to segment them. You can also use Einstein's send time optimization, which is going to make sure that your emails are sent when each individual is most likely to engage, which is going to boost your open rates. Einstein uses past engagement data to determine the best send time for you. We also have real-time insights and reporting. We can monitor campaign performance with real-time dashboards to quickly adjust your strategy. The last thing is engagement scoring. So we can use engagement scoring to identify highly engaged prospects by evaluating past interactions, and then pinpoint prospects with a high likelihood of conversion. And then we can direct the most engaged prospects to your sales team. And then last, you can segment the prospects who need further nurturing and then guide them through automated journeys. Salesforce has made it super easy to get you hands-on so you can test use cases in your own system with Salesforce Foundations. So by getting your hands on it now, practicing and using it a little bit, you'll be able to set up in the future to take advantage of the rapid release cycle and any new tools as they arise. So if you're ready to get more out of Marketing Cloud growth, you can explore Salesforce demos on Agentforce to understand the full range of capabilities. You can install that Salesforce Foundations to start testing. And you can also get a free consultation on how AI can drive your ROI for your business by reaching out to us at Solve. We're focused on how to help you bring digital labor, automate your digital labor in your company.